How to navigate your Student Center. Begin by selecting your user experience, such as Student. From your main Student Portal page, scroll to the Student Center section, and then select the link that says Go to Student Center. Under your Student Center, you'll be able to see your academic section, where you can view your class schedule. And then to the right, you can also view your holds and to-do list items. Below academics is your finances section, where you can see if you owe any outstanding charges to the university, and you can view the financial aid links. View financial aid, accept decline awards, and view satisfactory academic progress. Select View Financial Aid. Then select your aid year you wish to view, and you will be able to see your awards for the full academic year by description, the category, and your offered and accepted dollar amounts. Below the full year, you will see your breakdown by term for the fall term, the spring term, and the summer term where applicable.